Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts. Today, we have an exhilarating adventure in store as we explore the captivating history of the SR-71 Blackbird, one of the most iconic aircraft ever built. From its origin and rise as the fastest and highest-flying aircraft to its retirement, and a glimpse into the future, this is a journey you won't want to miss. So fasten your seatbelts and let's take flight. The SR-71 Blackbird, developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk division, was an engineering marvel that pushed the boundaries of aerospace technology. It all began in the late 1950s when the United States Air Force initiated the A-12 program, with the aim of replacing the U-2 spy plane. This ambitious endeavor gave birth to the SR-71 Blackbird we know today. The SR-71 Blackbird stood out among its contemporaries, showcasing unmatched speed, altitude, and stealth capabilities. With a top speed exceeding Mach 3.2, or approximately 2,200 miles per hour, it held the title of the fastest aircraft ever built. To put this into perspective, it was twice as fast as the F-15 Eagle and significantly outran the U-2 spy plane. Flying at a maximum operational altitude of 85,000 feet, the Blackbird soared above most surface-to-air missiles. The Blackbird's primary mission was strategic reconnaissance, gathering vital intelligence in hostile territories. During the intense Cold War era, it played a crucial role in monitoring Soviet Union activities. From surveilling missile sites to tracking troop movements, the Blackbird provided invaluable information to U.S. intelligence agencies. It even embarked on classified missions, mapping enemy air defense systems and monitoring nuclear tests. Despite its extraordinary capabilities, the SR-71 Blackbird's operational lifespan was relatively short. It was officially retired by the U.S. Air Force in 1990, primarily due to budget constraints and the increasing effectiveness of satellite reconnaissance. The final flight of the Blackbird took place in 1999, marking the end of an era that forever shaped aviation history. Although we bid farewell to the SR-71 Blackbird, its legacy continues to inspire aviation enthusiasts worldwide. Many have pondered if a successor to this legendary aircraft will ever grace the skies. While there are no concrete plans to revive the SR-71, various countries and aerospace companies are actively exploring advanced reconnaissance technologies. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and high-altitude long-endurance, HAL aircraft are being developed to bridge the gap left by the Blackbird. In recent years, captivating conceptual designs, such as the Lockheed Martin SR-72, often dubbed the son of Blackbird, have emerged. This visionary aircraft aims to be a hypersonic, unmanned reconnaissance platform capable of surpassing Mach 6. While these designs are currently in the conceptual stage, they demonstrate the relentless pursuit of pushing the boundaries of reconnaissance aircraft technology. The primary reasons behind its retirement can be attributed to budgetary considerations. The SR-71 program was a victim of budgetary constraints, with its complex maintenance, specialized training, and fuel consumption contributing to its high operational costs. Furthermore, the end of the Cold War and reduced tensions between the United States and the Soviet Union diminished the need for manned high-altitude reconnaissance as the strategic environment shifted. While the Blackbird was an engineering marvel, its operational challenges, including extensive maintenance and stress on the airframe due to its incredible speed and altitude, presented significant obstacles. To provide some numerical data, the SR-71 cost approximately $85,000 to $90,000 per flight hour, reached speeds of Mach 3.3, which is around 2,200 miles per hour, or 3,540 kilometers per hour, and operated at altitudes up to 85,000 feet, which is 25,900 meters. Over its operational lifespan, from 1964 to 1998, a total of 32 SR-71s were built, accumulating more than 53,000 flight hours. Ultimately, the U.S. Air Force made the difficult decision to retire the SR-71 Blackbird, marking the end of an era in manned strategic reconnaissance and shifting their focus towards more cost-effective and technologically advanced alternatives. And there you have it, the awe-inspiring tale of the SR-71 Blackbird. From its inception and meteoric rise as the fastest and highest-flying aircraft to its well-deserved retirement, the Blackbird etched its name in aviation history. While we may not witness the Blackbird in action again, its legacy lives on, inspiring new advancements in aerial reconnaissance. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey.